Hello, I have been creating passive income sources and earning from the internet for a long time. I want to share my knowledge and experiences with you. You can write your questions in the comment section. In the first video series, I will tell you how to earn income from Fiverr.com. At Fiverr.com, you can earn money wherever you are in the world. Fiverr is basically a freelance site. A lot of people post ads about the jobs they can do and earn money. You can earn money with your skills almost anywhere in the world. As I said, this site is basically a freelance site. What distinguishes Fiverr from other freelance sites is that it has high traffic and most based on practical jobs. So this site is not set up for detailed jobs, such as simple drawings, easy graphics, voiceovers can be finished quickly. We'll also take a look at what's on the site. Let's go to Fiverr site. Fiverr.com is written with 2 R's. There are 2 R's at the end. This site is available in different languages. Currency is the euro at the moment, but I'll change it. Let's see what services are sold on the site. For example, let's type voiceover here. As you can see, different choices are available. We can buy or sell voiceover in different languages. Sellers set their own prices. Prices are in euros. Let's convert this to dollars. Yes. Now we see the prices in US dollar. So can we only sell services in English? No. I know that most of our viewers can speak a language other than English. For example, I speak Turkish. In other words, it's possible to make voiceovers other than English, likewise, video cut, text editing, and so on in a non-English language. You can also serve in whichever your mother tongue is. As I said, this place is based on practical and small volume jobs. There is not only voiceover on the site. For example, you can post ads for almost anything you can think of, such as drawing pictures, site design, WordPress installation, video marketing, script writing. Let's click on Become a Seller. The screen appeared. How the system will work is explained. It looks simple. Let's see how the payment goes. Below is a link. How do I get paid? Here it is written briefly, but the details are important. I am going to make a special video about it, but basically I want to show you which channels you can get paid. This is my own account. You can receive the payment with PayPal, bank transfer, and Fiverr revenue card. So there are 3 types of payment system. As I said, I will make a detailed video about it. Let's join the site now. Let's enter with our email address. Continue. Let's choose a username. Let's set our password. Click join. Our membership process is almost complete. They sent us an email, activation email. I log in my email account and open the email and click on activate your account. Yes, it says successfully activated. That's how we become a member of Fiverr. In the next video, I will explain how we can list our service here. Don't forget to watch our videos, subscribe to our channel. See you!